Last month, Pope Leo XIV declared this to be a Jubilee year in honor of St. Francis. In this video, I want to introduce you to the concept of a Jubilee, and in other videos, we'll also talk about indulgences. Most importantly, I want to invite you to make FranU a part of your Jubilee year. The idea of a Jubilee is rooted in Christian scripture, particularly Leviticus chapter 28, verses 8 through 23. In this text, the Jewish people are given an opportunity to reestablish a proper relationship with God, with one another, and with all of creation. And it involved the forgiveness of debts, the return of misappropriated lands, and a fallow period for fields. The word Jubilee comes from the Hebrew word for the ram's horn that was blown for the Day of Atonement at the beginning of a Jubilee. In the Jewish tradition, it occurred every 50 years. Jesus himself reflected this understanding in his proclamation that his own ministry will be a kind of Jubilee in Luke 4:18 through 19, when he says, "The Spirit of the Lord is upon me, because he has anointed me to bring glad tidings to the poor. He has sent me to proclaim liberty to captives and recovery of sight to the blind, to let the oppressed go free, and to proclaim a year acceptable to the Lord." Now, the first pope to call a Jubilee year was Pope Boniface VIII in 1300. While he originally set the frequency of Jubilees at 100 years, the frequency has actually varied between 25 and 50 years, plus extraordinary years, which this year St. Francis will count as. This Jubilee will commemorate the 800th anniversary of St. Francis's death. And at FranU, we will be having events celebrating this Jubilee year between now and October. And everyone can participate in it by receiving a plenary indulgence by visiting the Verna Chapel at FranU. So as we celebrate this Jubilee year, we hope you'll take an opportunity to come and visit us and share in the gift that St. Francis has been to the world. We look forward to seeing you in the Verna Chapel.